Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So this is Kritika. So today we'll be knowing some of the basics of Amazon EC2, what is Amazon EC2 and some of the instances used. So we'll start. Amazon EC2. What is Amazon EC2? Amazon EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud is a core web service offered by Amazon Web Services that enables users to rent virtual servers known as instances in the cloud. EC2 instances act as virtual machines that users can configure, run, and manage based on their compute needs. So basically, what is Amazon EC2? Amazon EC2 is an instance which is the EC2 is the most popular offer instance or service offered by the AWS, right? So the full form of EC2 is nothing but the Elastic Compute Cloud. So it is, in the simple terms, it is known as the virtual server in the AWS terminologies, right? So it can be used everywhere. So many of the people uses EC2 service. It is a most popular used services wherein it helps us to maintain the data, storing the data. We can rent the virtual machines. So it in the EC2, so we can store the data or virtual drives. We can distribute the load across the machines. We can so it helps us to distribute the loads across the machines, wherein we can scale the services using any of the scaling groups provided by AWS, right? So EC2 instances, they act as a virtual machines, wherein you can the users can use, run, or manage based on the services they need. So they can use the EC2 instances as a virtual machines, right? It helps the users to run or configure the based on the user's requirement, right? So the next is common EC2 instance families. General purpose instances, example T3, M5, balanced CPU, memory, and networking resources suitable for a wide range of applications, including web servers, small databases, and development environments. So there are many common kinds of EC2 instances. So one of them is general purpose instances, right? Which gives a balanced CPU, memory, and networking resources, which is suitable for the users, what the users' requirements are, and for a wide range of applications, right? So it also includes web servers, databases, and development environments, right? So for example, T3. So T3, it is a example for general purpose instances, which provides baseline level of the CPU performance for the users. Right? So general purpose instances are basically designed for scalable services such as web servers, databases, and distributed for the data stores as well, right? So, and M5 is also one of the example for the same, wherein it delivers a balance of the compute memory and networking capabilities. So the next one is compute optimized instances. Example C5. High performance instances optimized for compute intensive workloads such as batch processing, scientific modeling, and high performance computing. So compute optimized instance is one of the instance family of EC2, wherein it helps, it gives a high performance instances which is optimized for compute the intensity of the workloads. So which can be optimized by the intensity of the workloads. So examples are C5 are the current these C5 are the current generation compute optimized EC2 instances, where compared to the general purpose instances, compute optimized instances give us the more computing power, lower memory, and also lower price point for the users, right? So the next one is memory optimized instances. Example R5 designed to handle memory intensive application like memory databases, real-time big data analytics, and high performance databases. So it is an instance family, memory optimized instances. So this instance is designed to handle the intensity of the memory, which is for the application, which like memory databases and big data analytics. So these are the applications where the intensity of the memory is used. Next is storage optimized instances. So instances focused on high performance storage with high random IO access for applications requiring large amount of local storage, databases, and data warehousing. So this instance will be used with a high requirement of a local storage or the database storage or warehousing. So the user who has a large requirement, who has the requirement to store more data and who wants a high performance storage with a high random IO access for the applications will use these instances, which helps them to get the data, like large amount of local data storages and also the databases as well, right? So these are some of the families of EC2 instances. So today we have known the basics of what is EC2 instances and some of the instances, families of EC2 instances, right? So that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.